Alright guys, welcome back to Craftsman Garage. My old Craftsman, who I call Freddy, we got it all taken apart, and we got this new V-twin, well, new to this mower V-twin, that we're going to be putting on it. I took this out yesterday. It's the factory engine, but it's got low compression, as you could see on my other videos, or the first video I did on it, so it needs some work. This one I've taken apart and sort of rebuilt it, made sure everything is to specifications. So this is basically a new engine. It only has 189 hours on it. We're gonna put this battery in it because our old battery right there, that's a pretty bad battery. But all right, so I've got the new battery in. I've got a temporary ground strap going to the engine right here because I don't have all the accessories and everything off. We don't have a kill switch, so I'll have to just choke it. It should dry. Still need to figure out the vacuum for right there because the vacuum line was cracked and it would not power the fuel pump. So let's just try it out. This battery is also almost dead. Oh, we got a little something. Alright, so I've got the old battery hooked up to this one because this one was starting to die a little bit actually. So maybe that is a good battery. I put a little bit of gas into the intake there. Let's see if it fires off. I might have to get the jump starter. All right, I've given it some time. Let's try it again. Man, still nothing. Okay, so I've been fooling around with it for a couple minutes here. I think I've got it figured out. All right. Come on. Alright guys, so I've been tinkering with it for a few minutes. I think I got it. I just stopped fussing around and I just got a fuel pump vacuum hose from one of my other mowers, so let's see if it works. Like a dream! Let's drive it. That's strange. Like, darn. I feel like I gotta mess with the governor a little bit. We'll just run it at idle for now, I guess. Alright, let's see. So she's running. Valve adjustment. She's fine as is, I guess. Man, move the throttle up just barely. Well, I finally figured out I gotta hold the choke up because something about this whole governor thing is a little bit messed up. So I'll hold the choke open while we're driving it with some tape. About the most redneck thing I could think of. Alright, let's try it out. soon I'll have it idling like this. Come on, just die already. There we go. All right, well, you'll definitely be seeing this a lot more on the channel. I think I'm gonna put everything back on, and next time you'll see this, it'll be all put back together and working perfect. I can definitely tell a power difference. It was a lot more jerky, which, I mean, means it has more power. That's 24 compared to 18. So, yeah, thanks for watching.